In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Instagram link to your Facebook profile. Whether you're looking to promote your Instagram content to your Facebook friends or just want everything linked up neatly, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're at your home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left navigation bar. Here, you should see your profile name. Go ahead and click on it to access your personal Facebook profile. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to locate the section where you can add links. You'll find a pencil icon near the Links section. This is your Go to button for editing. Click on this pencil icon to proceed. This will open up the editing options for your links, allowing you to make changes or add new ones. Once you've clicked the pencil, you'll see another pencil icon on the side. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it ensures that you're in the right place to edit your links. Click on this second pencil icon, which will allow you to modify the links section of your profile. With the editing options open, you should see an option that says Add Link. Click on this button. It will open a field where you can type in a URL. This is where you will enter your Instagram link. Make sure you type it accurately to ensure people can follow it to your Instagram profile without any issues. After you've entered your Instagram URL, double check it to ensure there are no typos. This is crucial because a small mistake could lead your friends to the wrong page or result in a broken link. Once you're sure everything is correct, look for the Save button. It's generally located at the bottom of the editing window. Click on Save to finalize your changes. And there you have it. Your Instagram link is now successfully added to your Facebook profile. This means anyone visiting your Facebook page can easily access your Instagram account, allowing them to see your stories, posts, and more. It's a great way to drive engagement across your social media platforms. Remember, keeping your social media profiles connected and up to date is a fantastic way to widen your reach and ensure your followers can see all the content you have to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.